Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Mongosh shell on Windows 7 in 2022. You heard that right. Now, if you installed this version right here, 5.1.0 or whatever the latest version is of Mongosh shell, you're going to get some problems. Okay, so let's just see what those problems are. Imagine you just finished configuring the system environment variables. Path is the one that we need. So you just listed here whatever you impact the Mongo program. That's going to give you some problems, okay? Because the moment you execute it, the moment you run Mongo shell, it's going to give you this particular error, which basically means that your system is not supported anymore, that it ended its life. It's a life cycle. So that's pretty hard to solve. So you can't run Mongo shell with that version in Windows 7. So during some research, this is the only solution that I found up till now from a MongoDB employee, by the way. And he says that Windows 7 is an end-of-life platform, and as such, Mongo shell builds do not support it. So we need to have at least version, or no, I apologize. We need to have up to version 4.2 in order to get it working on Windows 7. So that's what we're going to do. So you head up here, which is here actually, and you pick whatever of these versions. Of course, we're going to pick the latest one, the last one, which is 4.2.18, and then make sure that you install it. And once that is done, you need to edit the system environment variables for a second time. So it should be right here. Path. There you go, and then you just added this version, which is, by the way, it's located here. So C program files MongoDB /server /4.2/bin. So that's the place where the executables are, the binaries. And once you add that, you can just run it from the command line or PowerShell. I'm going to do it in PowerShell this time. So let me clear the screen because it's a bit weird. So now you need to run Mongo, which is not the same, I know. It has a bit of difference regarding the syntax, and it will just run, it will tell you that it's working, and then you can just follow along, connect to your database, do whatever you want. I'm just going to demonstrate it here, just to wrap the video a little bit up. So, yeah, it's Windows 7, so I cannot do that. Of course, if it's if it's Mongo shell, it's not going to work. So it's Mongo, and you enter your password, and that should be it. I'm in my Mongo Atlas cloud, so I can just say, give me the databases. It's there. Use one of those. Show the collections, whatever. Yeah. So as you see, it is working in Windows 7. This is what you need to do, and I hope that this video was helpful.